Once upon a time, in a lush jungle, there lived a little elephant named Ellie. Ellie was a curious and adventurous elephant, but she had a fear of water. Whenever she would come across a river or a lake, she would become paralyzed with fear and anxiety. One day, while the herd was crossing a river, Ellie stood frozen on the banks, unable to take a step forward. "What's wrong, Ellie?" asked her friend, a young elephant named Max. Ellie replied, "I'm scared of the water, I don't want to fall in." Max could understand Ellie's fear. He had heard from the elders that she had never learned how to swim. He put his trunk around her and said, "Don't worry, I'll help you cross." Ellie felt a bit better with Max by her side, but she was still scared. Max and Ellie slowly made their way into the water, but just as they were about to reach the other side, Ellie lost her balance and started to fall in. Max quickly grabbed her trunk and pulled her back up. "See, it's not that bad," he said, "we just need to take it slow." Ellie smiled, grateful for Max's help. The next day, Ellie went to the wise owl to ask for his help. The owl listened carefully to her story and then said, "Fear is a natural emotion, but it's important to face it head-on. You can't let it control you and hold you back from experiencing new things." Ellie was determined to overcome her fear. She knew that the owl was right. The owl began to teach Ellie about different ways to manage her fear and anxiety. He taught her breathing exercises and visualization techniques to calm her mind and body. He also taught her how to challenge her thoughts and to focus on the present moment. Ellie was a quick learner and she soon became more confident in the water. One day, Ellie was playing in the water with Max and the other elephants when she noticed her mother watching from the bank. Ellie's mother had always been afraid of the water, and Ellie had never seen her swim. She approached her mother and said, "Mom, I was scared of the water too, but I learned how to overcome my fear. You can do it too, I'll help you." Ellie's mother was hesitant at first, but she finally agreed to give it a try. With Ellie by her side, she slowly made her way into the water. Ellie's mother was amazed at how calm she felt and she was soon having fun swimming with the others. From that day on, Ellie was known as the brave little elephant who helped others overcome their fears. Her story spread throughout the jungle, and she became an inspiration to all who heard it. The message of her story is that fear and anxiety are natural emotions, but with the right tools and techniques, we can all learn to navigate and overcome them. Good night, children. Thanks for watching.